Hello, welcome to another episode of Double J's List. Let me give you another update on the Frontier. If you can get a chance, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Hit that subscribe button, please, please, please. Anyway, I finally got the exhaust manifold that was leaking repaired. There's this great little shop in Kenmore, which is a northern suburb of Buffalo. A little bit of a ride from here, but it's family owned and it's been around forever, and it's a muffler shop. Muffler shops have a bad reputation, especially the chains. These guys are great. They bring your truck in or car and put it up on the lift and look at it, and then bring you outside and say, here are the issues. This is what it'll cost to fix each one. Really straightforward. And they actually show you the problem. Like, they actually flashed the light on behind the exhaust manifold, showed me the crack light coming through. So here's the new exhaust manifold. You can see it's nice and shiny down there. Exhaust manifolds usually aren't silver. So it's down there. They also replaced a flex pipe underneath. I haven't even looked yet. See, they showed it to me broken. I don't know if I can even see it. It was right in there. I can't read. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so they replaced that too. The rest of the exhaust needs to get some replacing soon. From the center of the truck back, it's not leaking yet. So I'm gonna do that myself more than likely. I found the exhaust parts that I need on Rock Auto for like $100 or something like that. That's not bad, and that's easier than trying to deal with these exhaust manifolds. I did notice that there is also probably a leak on the other exhaust manifold. You don't hear it at idle. You hear it more under load when you hit the throttle. It's not allowing a bunch of fumes to come into the truck like the other one was, so it's not as big of an issue. It's more of an annoyance, and I'll probably get that done maybe next year. But as for right now, you can see this one not as nice. It's got the heat shield on it still. It looks like they were nice on the other side here. If I can get this in. So you can see on the back where the catalytic converter comes out. They actually hit that with a little bit of weld to keep it from rattling. It looks like they just put a little tack weld between that and the converter to make it stop rattling, which is nice too. So finally getting that addressed after 5 years. So anyway, that's the story with that. If you like that, please subscribe. I appreciate it. I'll try to keep everybody up to date on the old Frontier project. And thank you for watching.